Hey everyone, it's Amy here from Pouted.com team. If you love to travel but hate spending a fortune on food, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to share my 3 hidden tips for eating like a local to save money and have amazing, authentic food experiences on your next trip. Get ready for some serious travel and food inspiration. Tip 1. Eat street food. One of the best ways to eat cheap and delicious while traveling is to hit up the street food scene. From tacos in Mexico City to pad thai in Bangkok, street food lets you sample a destination's most iconic dishes for just a few bucks. Look for busy stalls with lines of locals. That's how you know it's going to be good. Don't be afraid to point and order even if you don't speak the language. Eating street food is an adventure for your taste buds and your wallet. Tip 2. Shop at local markets. To really eat like a local, you need to shop where the locals shop, at neighborhood markets and bazaars. Wander through the colorful stalls piled high with exotic fruits, fresh-baked bread, artisanal cheeses. Many markets also have food stands where you can grab a cheap lunch and mingle with residents going about their daily shopping. You can stock up on edible souvenirs and put together an affordable picnic with your market finds. Just remember, eat with your eyes first and follow the crowds to the most popular vendors. Tip 3. Have cultural food experiences. Food is the doorway to culture, so seek out hands-on experiences to connect with locals. Take a cooking class to learn how to make regional specialties with a local chef. Do a food tour for an insider's look at a city's culinary hotspots. Have dinner at a resident's home for a truly immersive experience. Sites like Eat With, Traveling Spoon, and Bon Appetit connect travelers with hosts around the world for home-cooked meals and cultural exchange. These experiences may cost more than street food, but they offer priceless opportunities to break bread with locals. So to quickly recap, eat street food, shop at local markets, and have cultural food experiences. Those are my top 3 tips for eating like a local to save money and have unforgettable food adventures when you travel. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment telling me your favorite food destination. Until next time, this is your name, reminding you that the best way to explore a culture is through your taste buds. Happy travels and bon appetit!